All right, last thing we're going to do is save. Let's go up to our File menu and choose Save. Now, when we choose Save or Save As, it will automatically default this to a Photoshop file because you're making a file that has layers in it. And you're going to want to be able to always come back and edit these layers. And the file format that contains those layers is .psd. That's what we want, so we'll click Save. Now that will make a Photoshop layered file that we can always open back up, turn layers on and off, delete layers, adjust the mask, do whatever we want to do. But if I wanted to put this on Facebook, send it to a friend, email it, put it on my website, any of those things, then this format's not going to work. So last thing, File, Save for Web. When we choose Save for Web, that will bring up the Save for Web dialog box where you can give it a better size because it's too big. So you can bring it down to whatever size your website says it has to be, at least smaller than. 1024 is a good web size. You can make it even smaller. So let's say, for example, you wanted to make it 800 is the highest or the longest dimension. And that will automatically size it width and height accordingly. You can choose the quality, you can choose the format, JPEG, GIF, PNG, so forth and so on. JPEG is the most common format for images. And that's going to bring the file size all the way down to 78.41K. So we're going to go ahead and click Save. It's going to ask us where. We can call it whatever we want. So we can say Rockstar Web Image. So that's the one that's going to go on our website or Facebook or whatever, and away we go.